Beat the smiles served with love in our food, or that silken touch gently woven in our clothes. The tires that take us the distance, or the freshness stirred in that rejuvenating cup of tea. At the core of it all lies a small seed. And the one who with his untiring efforts cultivates happiness from this seed and takes the country forward on the path of prosperity is the Indian farmer. And standing by the Indian farmer through every moment and every toil is one name: IFFCO, the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited. Established in 1967 with just 57 cooperative societies, IFFCO today is counted amongst some of the world's biggest cooperative societies, with a staggering membership of nearly 36,000 Indian cooperatives. Today, through the 5 state-of-the-art fertilizer manufacturing plants situated in Kandla, Kalol, Aula, Phulpur and Paradeep, IFFCO annually produces 46 lakh tons of urea and 40 lakh tons of NPK, DAP and water-soluble fertilizers. At IFFCO, we are committed towards providing the best quality products to the farmer, but with minimal environmental footprint. Our ambitious energy-saving project and other efforts are small steps in this direction. Not only this, IFFCO has reaped considerable benefits for the farmers through diversification in general insurance, agrochemicals, rural retail, international trading and mobile telephony. Through strategic overseas investments in Senegal, Jordan, Dubai and Oman, and partnerships with international societies like the International Cooperative Alliance and the International Fertilizer Association, IFFCO is championing the voice of the Indian cooperatives globally. It's the result of such efforts that today every 5th bag of urea and every 3rd bag of complex fertilizer sold in India belongs to IFFCO. From the snow-laden valleys of Leh to the backwaters of Kerala, from the scorching heat of the Kutch to the tender cold of Assam, IFFCO delivers its products to farmers in every corner of the country. At the grassroots level, IFFCO's services to the farmers have been a revelation. IFFCO's flagship programs like Save the Soil and Neem Plantation have proved a boon for the soil and the environment. Through IFFCO Kisan Sanchar Limited, agriculture and weather-related information is provided to the farmers on their mobile phones free of cost. IFFCO Tokyo General Insurance Company provides unique insurance products for the welfare and safety of the farmer. Quadet was established to provide the farmers with training regarding agriculture, animal husbandry, horticulture and fruit preservation, etc. IFFCO's associate organization IFFDC works towards women empowerment, environment conservation and seed production through its various initiatives. Apart from these initiatives, IFFCO Kisan Seva Trust helps in providing the farmers with financial succor along with relief and rehabilitation in times of natural calamities. Apart from the welfare and progress of the farmers, IFFCO is also committed towards the conservation and prosperity of art, literature and culture. Today, IFFCO is not just a name, it's the reason behind millions of smiles. A beacon of hope for scores of Indian farmers. It's the assurance that gives every farmer the power to dream.